Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to plan in my Hobonichi cousin, and we are going to plan in the January monthly pages. Now I understand that this is a little bit late because I'm probably going to post this sometime in the middle of January or even late January, but better late than never. So make sure to watch the entire video to see what will happen to this page and how it transforms using these stickers from my shop. So let's start. Let me go ahead and show you what this kit looks like. So this is the January geometric. I was going to use the January romantic, but I was already using that in my Hobonichi weeks. So I thought I'd just use the geometric and that would be fine, and then maybe I'll use the romantic, which is the other version of the monthly sheets in the next month, because it is February. So I wanted to use the romantic for that, but for January I'm going to go ahead and use the January geometric. You have your sidebar here that goes over here, and I'll show you that later. The date covers as well as boxes. This one is for the bottom, and then on the next page you get the other, or the left date covers, the left date covers, the left bottom bar, and then a bunch of squares, and then you've got scripts, and then you've got strips here as well. So scripts and strips and whatnot. So let's go ahead and take a look at this page. So this is the Hobonichi cousin. If you're new to my channel, this is a A5, and this is the biggest Hobonichi that there is. So I'm going to go ahead and start with this sidebar. I'm going to go ahead and line it up. Let's see here how well I can do this, because I am actually really far away. And sometimes it's difficult to see what I'm doing when I'm planning while I'm filming. There we go. And that is what we have. It is tiny bit crooked because if you can see there, there's still a little bit of the dark box, but it's okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and take my day covers. Here we go. It's actually a Saturday morning, and it is a very quiet day. I'm going to go ahead and use the date covers, or day covers, for the right side of the page. This is actually a very giant kit, and I am very excited to use it. Okay, it is again a little crooked, but I'm okay with that. So let's go ahead and start with our date covers. So date this time, and you just do the exact same thing. You put it up on where the dates are, and should fit nicely, like just like that. So I'm going to go ahead and do this side, and then I will go to this side. We are finished with our date covers. Now I'm going to go ahead and put stickers over here at the bottom. So this is that sticker. I think you can use either. Okay, yeah. Ooh, and we are finished. Wow, that was quick and painless, and I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and cover up this part because it's not part of January, it's part of February. So let's go ahead and put this sticker in, and that is what it would look like. And you need one for here also, and we have that. Stunning. It's looking really good, guys. I am very, very happy. And this is what we have. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love it so much. Okay, you guys, so now it is artsy fartsy time. I'm going to go ahead and decorate this page. I'm going to put this on here because this is New Year's. And then I'm going to say day out, night out, night out. No, I'm just going to write. Happy birthdays are very important. So I'm going to take this. This is actually cut into two. So as you can see here. These ones are not, and I'm going to demonstrate that later. I'm going to put this on the 19th. Happy birthday. And then I'm going to do the exact same thing with my other happy birthday on the 21st. Because I have two family members whose birthday it is in January. And I cannot wait to spend time with them. That's a little crooked. That's fine. At least for me. Okay, and then I have Bill Juice. So I'm going to take this tiny strip again. And I think it's on... should be here. No, that's Saturday. Okay, I'm going to say Friday. And then I'm going to take my script sticker that says Bill Do. There. And here we go. And then I'm going to take this long strip. And then I'm going to put it... where should I put it? Okay, I'm going to pretend that something's going on this weekend. Because I am going out of town on the 20th, but that's fine. So I'll be prepared. I'm gonna put this out of town sticker on here. Script sticker. So once again, these three bars or strips are cut in the middle so that you can use them for individual boxes. The strips on this side are not cut in the middle, so it's one long strip, and you can use that for marking days where something's going on across different days. So I'm going to go ahead and do one more thing. I'm going to put appointment down just on here. No, let's do Friday. So that's along the sticker. So for my Hobonichi cousin, I use it as my memory keeper planner as well as collections notebook. And what I do is that I just write down important things that happen in the day or throughout the month here. I mean, really, really important things go on here. Like some things that I want to remember happen go on here. But apart from that, I mean, I'm not going to put something on a day that, you know, just so I can put something on a day so that it looks filled out. But so that's not going to happen on this planner. It is happening in my Hobonichi weeks. So I also have a Hobonichi weeks. I have a lot of plan with me's using that planner. So make sure to subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. So lastly, I'm just going to show you my weekly page, especially if this is your first time in my channel. So this is the weekly page. This is last week. I have this in my Instagram also, if you want to check that out. My Instagram is paperjoyph, and then this is my notes pages. Let's see. So this is what I have. I have my index here for the month, so every day of the month, etc. And then some home plans and things. Some of them are very private. So I'm not going to go through my notes pages, but I am filling it out. And maybe sometimes I would post my collection pages. So instead of using the dailies as a daily, I use it as a collection page, basically. Alright, so next video, I'm going to go ahead and film a plan with me on this page. So this is the weekly pages of the Hobonichi cousin. And I'm going to be using one of my vertical kits, which is this kit, this is the, oh, this is supposed to be Twilight, so I did that wrong. I'm gonna change that. Okay, and this is the Twilight kit. This is supposed to be for February, but I wanted to use it right away because I just wanted to be very romantic this week. And maybe next week it's gonna be the same. It's gonna be all romantic, but maybe on the week of Valentine's Day, it's gonna be something else, like the absolute Valentine kit. Should I have that already available by then? I should by then. Or if I'm doing something else. I don't know. I don't really know. I'm gonna plan it out. Anyhow, so thank you so much for watching this video. I'm sorry my outro is really all over the place, so I'm sorry for that. And if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like some more planner videos, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. And of course, if you want anything that I have shown you here, especially the kits that I have shown and the kit that I have used, that is from paperjoyph.com. That is my shop, and we make Hobonichi book stickers as well as personal planner stickers, functional stickers, etc., etc. So we have a lot of stickers in our shop. Make sure to check it out. And then also, if you'd like, you can also join our Facebook group, which is paperjoyph Planning World, to keep updated with all the goodies that we have. So that's all for us today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!